people who have proficiency, people who didn't, so that we could then tweak it to get it to do what they needed to do. I think it's a good combination. Before you load it in, you say which button you want to execute it, so that way the robot knows when it gets a signal from the remote, it knows which program to run. So you're not programming the remote, you're just telling the robot when I get button 1, do this, when I get button 2, do that. So once it's programmed, it doesn't need to be tethered. They're actually standard hobby servos. They're all metal gear. They're high torque, but I mean, an example for torque was we want them to be able to do things like this one will do something more interesting. I figured it could do that. They're strong enough. It's kit. You have to put it together. We've been asked about doing what they call a ready to walk, but we're not sure. It's going to drive the cost up. Yeah. So.
How much are the kits?
$7.99. All the servos, software, recipe, sweeten it up a little bit with a special sauce.